Hi family, this is your girl Azara, work at home specialist, side hustle and gig economy enthusiast. All the jobs I speak about on this channel either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. I have my handy dandy laptop in front of me filled with all the information on today's latest job opportunity, and today's job opportunity is from Mod Squad. They are hiring right now. This company gets 3 out of 3 Freedom Stars. So if you're interested in learning more about this work from home job, please stay tuned and please share this video with anyone you know who's looking for legitimate work from home job where they're able to choose their own hours. And please be sure to watch to the end to get my hiring tip on getting this job, because what's the point of watching the video if you don't get the job? All right, and please don't forget to subscribe so I can help you work to be free. All right, let's get into it. All right, so today's job that is hiring is again Mod Squad. They are hiring U.S. candidates nationwide. The position they are hiring for is called a digital engagement specialist. This job gets all 3 Freedom Stars because you have time freedom. You're able to choose your own hours with this company. You can work from anywhere that is private with a secure internet connection, or you can work from the comfort of your own home if you choose to. This job would be great for anyone who wants to keep their day job, moonlighters, stay-at-home parents, students, retirees. The job description with this job: you're going to get experience with some of the coolest brands, okay? From gaming to e-commerce to entertainment. With this job, you're going to be able to select the projects. So pretty much you select the project you want to work on based on your personal and individual experience, and your availability. You're going to be part of the squad. Get it? Mod Squad? Okay, corny joke. All right, the pay is going to vary from client to client. The skills, let's see. The pay is going to vary from client to client due to the length of the project, and it's going to depend on the service they need. But according to my research, it averages on about $400. So this breaks down to about $10 an hour. And they do offer slightly higher pay if you're bilingual. If you know more than one language, you're able to ask for higher pay. All right, and let's get into the most important part of this video, my hiring tip. All right, so according to my research, this company does look at your social media. So they are definitely going to be looking at your social media engagement and interaction. So my tip would be for you to highlight your ability to engage people through your various social media accounts. So you can use your resume, the cover letter, of course, of your resume to highlight that in some way. If you get an interview, absolutely highlight that during the interview. This is going to help you stand out from the crowd against all the other applicants. So please use that tip to get hired. So if this job sounds like a good fit for you or anyone you know, please check out the link in the description, and please join my email list so you could get more work from home, work from anywhere job opportunities. And remember, my best work and life advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He He will help you. If God says yes, no one on earth can say no. Until next time, you are blessed and highly favored. If you believe it, say, I receive it. Now go get that job. And also, family, if you plan to apply for this job, if you get an interview, get hired, please share that information in the comment section below so you can help others work to be free. All right, work to be free, family. Until next time, I love you. Bye.